how to download your iPhone notes onto your computer. So this will work on Windows computer and also MacBooks as well. So first thing you need to do is head over to your iPhone itself, go and open up your iPhone settings, and then just click on your profile name at the top of this screen. You can then select iCloud, click on See All, and then select Notes. Now you need to make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on and enabled. Once you've done this, you can head over to your computer or laptop. Now what we're going to do is open up an internet browser like this. You could then come up to the address bar and just type in iCloud.com. Click on the sign in button and sign in to your Apple account. Once you're signed in, you can scroll down to your notes and click on this. And here you'll find all of your iPhone notes. Now, if you want to save any of these onto your computer, just go and select the note. You can then press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything, and then press Ctrl C to go and copy this. Now open up your Start menu and you can open up the Notes app. You can then just paste in the note that we just copied, click on File and press Save As, and you can now go and save this note locally on your computer. You can essentially do the same thing with all of the notes that you want to download.